Hello and welcome to Nick Tries Things, a show where I try things. And second limited edition flavour of Pepsi that's available at the moment. Got it here today, and it is the cream soda. So, obviously recently tried the strawberries and cream and was not a fan. But cream soda, I quite like cream soda. Did a Dr. Pepper review recently, cream soda Dr. Pepper, and enjoyed it. And, you know, we've had on a few occasions now vanilla Coke. And I think they might have done a vanilla Pepsi at the time as well, or around about the same time. So vanilla and Coke is a combination that kind of works. Let's see if the cream soda is any different. So, best served chilled, and it is chilled. Let's give it a go. Yeah, kind of. You can kind of smell the vanilla. Yeah. But it doesn't, we can definitely smell it. Does it smell like how I remember vanilla Coca-Cola smelling? No, not quite. Well, anyway, let's try it. It's the only way you can know. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, yeah, that's not bad. You can. It doesn't taste like Pepsi. It doesn't taste like regular Pepsi, and you can definitely taste like the vanilla of it. But it's good. I like it. That is much nicer than the strawberries and cream. That's much more, the kind of thing I go for. And yeah, it doesn't taste. It does taste artificial, but I guess it would do. But yeah, I think as a flavour combination, this is much nicer than the strawberries and cream. It's a 6. It's a 6 out of 10. You know, it's good. It's not great. Would I have it again? Yeah, I would, but it would be down the list of flavours of soft drinks. But you know, it's nice enough. If you really like vanilla flavour things, it's worth checking out. But it's not blowing me away. It's good, but not great. 6 out of 10.